Hello friends, greetings for the day. Today I will discuss in short in the series of touching the untouched in pediatric pulmonology the effect of sudden climate change on respiratory health, and myself Dr. Dev Jha, pediatrician, pediatric pulmonologist and intensivist, Delhi. So what will be the effect of sudden climate change? I have seen in Delhi yesterday on 11th of March there was sudden rise in environmental temperature to 38 degrees Celsius, very high on 11th March 2026. And what is its impact? So let me explain in short the mechanism behind the respiratory health deterioration in these conditions. What happens in cases of increased environmental temperature? There is airway mucosal dehydration, so there will be less fluid in the airways, mucociliary actions diminishes, and there is accumulations of viruses, bacteria, fungi and pollutants also in the airways, and it leads to inflammations and infections. What happens further? So in these climatic conditions there is more formations of ozone, and this is very harmful for the respiratory health. So these more production of pollutants, also PM 2.5 micron particles are more produced. There are more allergens in the environment, and pollens are also propagated very far. So what these all do? So I will tell you the concept of alarmins and defensins. What are these alarmins and defensins? So if the respiratory epithelium is injured due to these, there is secretions of alarmins in the form of interleukin 25, interleukin 33 and thymic stromal lymphopoietin. So these starts cascades of reactions and type 2 inflammatory reactions starts. So these are the inflammatory mediators. On the other hand, body produces protectins. So these protectins or defensins. So defensins are produced by neutrophils, macrophages. These are peptides which kills bacteria, fungi, some protozoa. So these are very important defensive mechanism of the body. So these defensins are produced in less and less amount in these environmental conditions, again predisposing the child to increased infection. So in these conditions, if I will combine together, there is increased incidence of bronchiolitis, increased asthma exacerbations, increased incidences of pneumonia. So these in combination are very harmful to children in these conditions, sudden increase in environmental temperature. Thank you very much. Be aware, take care, and for more knowledge, please join Respiratory Foundation of India in the course of Fellowship in Pediatric Pulmonology with Bronchoscopy. Bye bye.